Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. As I have mentioned in the video before, I'm going to attempt to do a chandelier with a ladder or part of a ladder. This is an old ladder, wood ladder, that was left here by the previous owner. I immediately knew what I wanted to do with it and I asked Mr. B to cut it to size for me. So that's the ladder. This is the lights. If I show you, I got this on Amazon a couple of months ago in preparation for this. I think it was about 30 or 35 pounds. Also, in the range the other day, I got this black chain and I got some hooks. They're just standard hooks. I just quickly spray them black so that they will match the chain. So this is the table we have outside. I'm going to fit it right above the table. So the plan is, I've never done this before, I don't know if it works. I'm going to put these hooks on either side, probably here, and then up in the roof and use the chain to link them together. You can get an extension for this, but I don't want to spend the money on the extension because Mr. B is very good with electrics. He's just done all the electrics in here. He hardwired this for me because he's going up here and he needs to run all the way up and down to that socket that Mr. B fitted for me over there. So we need a bit more wire than it came with a set. So let's get on with it. Will be able to break the links, but obviously I can't. So Mr. B is going to cut the links for me because this bit of chain, I want to cut it in 4 pieces to hang on the ladder. So the first stage was done yesterday, was to hang this. It's quite straightforward. 2 hooks on the top, 2 hooks on the bottom, and the chain. Make it roughly leveled. I'm not too worried about levels. Now, my plan is I'm going to entwine this around. It's no right or wrong. I don't want it straight. I want it kind of up and down, if you know what I mean, like an industrial type of lighting. So it's to be, the lights are to be uneven. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but I'll have a go now. So the chandelier is finished. It's nothing fancy, just something fun that I wanted to try. I seen it once online and I really wanted to ever go and try. Didn't cost a lot of money because we already have the ladder was left behind, as I said. The lights cost us 35, 36 pounds on Amazon, and the chain was 6 pounds or then about, and the range. So as you've seen, I run the wires there. Let me show what Mr. B did for me. So we run the wires from there all the way down this one. So this is electrics Mr. B have done for all the things we have in here. He has a switch breaker there because we have a lot of lights in the out of the kitchen. This is for the fridge, and Mr. B have fitted this one for me where we can just switch on and off. You don't need to have one of those. You can just have a plain one like this one, and you just unplug it. Just Mr. B, always the perfectionist. He prefers to do that way. So that's my industrial chandelier finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really pleased with the result, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.